Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to show tools on Wix. Let's get started. So as of right now, you can see in here that I have opened the Wix website editor. So as you can see right here, the tools is actually grayed out. That is because in order to use that, you need to zoom in to 100%. So once you have zoomed in, you should be able to click on tools right here. So click on that. And then in here, you can see that you can open this toolbar. And you can see the toolbar right here. You can also open the layers, and then this will show you the layers that you have on your website. You also open in here the rulers if you want to show the measurement of your site. So these tools right here can help you edit the site up to your heart's content. So you can just choose which one of this you want to use. For me, I'll just choose this read lines toolbar and snap to objects. So using this toolbar, you can actually reposition it just like that. You can use these icons right here to copy, to duplicate, to arrange, and all of these things right here. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you how to show tools on Wix. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!